लखनऊ, एक शहर जो सिर्फ तमीज और तहजीब का नहीं, कला और कमाल का भी है। एक शहर जिसमें हर चीज एक कहानी के साथ बुनी गई है, और उन्हीं कहानियों में एक है चिकनकारी। ये नाजुक लेकिन दमदार कला जो पिछले 400 सालों से लखनऊ के दिल में धड़क रही है। Today, this exquisite art is slowly fading, and with it, the hands that have kept the legacy alive. अगर आपने कभी चिकनकारी देखी है, तो आप जानते हैं ये सिर्फ एक कपड़ा नहीं, एक कहानी है। हर थ्रेड, हर डिजाइन एक हेरिटेज को रिप्रेजेंट करता है जो मुगल इरा से शुरू हुआ था। पर आज के टाइम पे ये असली हाथों से बनी हुई कला एक्सपेंसिव है, और लोग पूछते हैं क्यों? Lucknow is a city of elegance, and nowhere is this more evident than in its stunning chikankari embroidery. The delicate art form has been passed down through generations. Each stitch telling the story of centuries of craftsmanship. Today, we're exploring how this age-old tradition lives on in the city's shops and showrooms. चिकनकारी सिर्फ कपड़े और धागे की बात नहीं है, ये एक कला और क्रिएटिविटी का सफर है। चाहे वो हाथ से की गई साड़ी हो या फिर एक नाजुक कुर्ता, हर एक पीस अपनी एक कहानी सुनाता है। लेकिन इन मास्टरपीसेस को बनाने में क्या क्या चीजें शामिल होती है, चलिए देखते हैं। Look at these beautiful pieces. The level of detailing is mesmerizing. The artistry behind every flower, every pattern is all hand stitched with precision. And this level of craftsmanship doesn't come cheap. So चिकनकारी की एम्ब्रॉयडरी मैंने बहुत सारे मटेरियल्स पे देखी है, वेदर इट्स कॉटन, वेदर इट्स जॉर्जेट, जो दो मटेरियल्स मैंने बहुत ही प्रीडोमिनेंटली देखे हैं। बट वेलवेट पे मैं लिटरली फर्स्ट टाइम देख रही हूँ। व्हेन रोहित टोल्ड मी अर्लियर, आई कुडंट बिलीव कि वेलवेट पे इतनी बारीकी से काम हो सकता है, इतनी ब्यूटीफुल कारीगरी हो सकती है। नाउ द पीस इज राइट हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. I am still not able to believe, and this is so, it feels so comfortable, it's so beautiful. I think this one's my favorite one of the lot. By the way, इसको embellish भी करा जा सकता है. This is just plain embroidery, but there's a piece with the embellishments as well. These boutiques bring together the finest chikankari designs, but it's not just about showcasing the beauty of these garments. It's a reflection of Lucknow's rich cultural heritage, and the real magic happens behind the scenes with the artisans. So there's no way that you can come to Lucknow and not talk about chikankari, and today's episode is going to be all about that. मैं यहाँ पे एक बुटीक स्टोर में बैठी हूँ, और मैं बैठी हूँ रोहित के साथ, and Rohit has a label, a chikankari label here, and we're going to be talking more about this in detail with him. But this is not just any kind of chikankari. The pieces you'll find here are so beautiful, heavily embellished, and there's all kinds of pieces that you can think of, but I'm going to leave it to him to tell us and explain us more about this place and about the pieces here. Hi Rohit.
Hi Janal, how are you?
I'm good. So
Welcome
nice to meet
Lucknow.
you. Thank you so much. Rohit, tell us a little bit about chikankari, the art in itself.
Okay, so it's a beautiful handcrafted art, and it's gorgeous. It's been around for years, which you have seen, you know, like I've been hearing since I'm born and even before that. And Lucknow has been always very, very, very blessed with the karigars who make it. So it's definitely one of its own kind, modern yet very tastefully done, and it's its own old worldly charm.
Okay.
So we are doing a lot of customization. Even for the people of Lucknow, this is something new that we have reborn from a chikankari. As you said, the embellishment part is very, very, very elaborated. So we use different techniques to embellish a piece to make it a nice formal attire. So suppose this is a gorgeous suit on a pure georgette. So this is all ready for us and it's on a complete stage, you can see. So now if you come in a store and you ask me, no, I love it, but I want it to in a gold color or a beige color or a grey color. So we can definitely dye the color for you. We have a color chart. You can pick up your favorite shade. Of course, we'll recommend what will suit you and which will go with your skin tone and what kind of mood you are creating from this suit. And then from that, we can also embellish it. So you can see this is a similar jali ka dupatta, but it's in an embellished state. So it looks very different to the one underneath.
So Rohit, for someone who completely is new to the world of chikankari, I know that people buy pieces and from all across the globe, and people know about chikankari, but I'm sure a lot of them don't know how it's made. And for once, I know that it's a very time-taking process. It's a very it requires a lot of love, labor, and hard work. So can you just run us through the process of making chikankari? What goes into making it?
Definitely. So what happens basically, because clothing, when we think about it, it's very seasonal. In summers we choose different fabrics, in winters we choose different fabrics. So for winters we have chosen beautiful velvets, which we actually produce in summers and then sell you in winters. We choose the fabric, we get it from the weavers, we order the fabric. Then the first step goes to what kind of pattern do we want to implement on that fabric. So then the chapai happens, and the chapai actually happens according to the budget we have for the garment, which people don't know actually. Right. Because the superfine motives involves a superfine karigari, which you have to pay for it. And then so that we choose the blocks, we choose how we want to conceptualize the whole outfit, whether we want jali in it, whether we want murli ka kaam, tepchi ka kaam. There are like 36 stitches are there. So we go to the chapai center where the chapai happens. Then though you see the whole outfit in the blueprint, for example, that has our blue ink all over it.
Right.
And then we distribute to the karigars who do the embroidery on it. And you won't believe it, they are mostly 98% are female. Craft has been passed to them from the generations. Their mother has taught them, or they have learned somewhere in the center. So the kadhai happens, which is the most elaborate and laborious work.
Right.
And it takes the most amount of time.
So the kadai is the embroidery.
Embroidery.
Okay.
Yes. So kadai is the embroidery. So you give to them, and then funny enough, it's like you gave tum bhul jao 6 mahine ke liye 8 mahine ke liye. You don't keep asking them. So they keep embroidering as they go.
Okay.
And then once we receive the piece, we give it to washing. Then we see the final look of it after washing, when all the blueprint is washed away. Then we think about how we want to embellish it.
Okay.
So whether we want to do कामदानी work on it, हल्का हल्का सा मुकेश का काम जो चलता है बहुत लखनऊ में, या आपको ये सीक्वेंस का काम लेना है, जरदोजी का काम लेना है, and then after that you get a final product in hand. And then if you want to customize your color palette, then you have a choice of whether you want to dye that piece in any color of your choice, or what kind of collection you are building. And then what you see in our store is the final product, which is coming after charak and dyeing, is what you buy.
So Rohit has very well, taken us through this process of making the chikankari and bringing to life these beautiful timeless pieces. तो आज हम जाएंगे behind the scenes, इन कारीगरों को मिलेंगे, हम देखेंगे ये एक एक प्रोसेस कैसे होता है. हम एक वेयर हाउस गए जहां वी गॉट टू सी एंड लर्न द प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग चिकनकारी टू लाइफ. सबसे पहले डिजाइन को वुडन ब्लॉक से फैब्रिक पे प्रिंट किया जाता है वॉशेबल इंक से. ये ब्लूप्रिंट होता है एम्ब्रॉयडरी के लिए, जिससे आर्टिसंस एक डिजाइन को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. असली चिकनकारी बनाने वाले हाथ आज मुश्किल में हैं, क्योंकि फास्ट फैशन और मशीन मेड कॉपीज ने एक पुरानी लेगेसी को धुंधला कर दिया है. अब स्किल्ड कारीगर नीडल और थ्रेड से हाथ से एम्ब्रॉयडरी करते हैं, एंड दीज आर यूजुअली वुमेन. हर स्टिच में प्रिसिशन होती है और डिजाइन को कढ़ाई के द्वारा जिंदा किया जाता है. मास प्रोड्यूस चिकनकारी जो मशीन्स बनाती है, उनका कोई चार्म नहीं होता. बट रियल हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड चिकनकारी टेक्स वीक्स, समटाइम्स मंथ्स टू कंप्लीट. एक ओरिजिनल पीस में 32 अलग अलग टाइप के स्टिचेस हो सकते हैं, जिसमें मुर्री, जाली, तेपची, फंदा सब एक इंट्रिकेट पैटर्न में जुड़ते हैं. एम्ब्रॉयडरी के बाद कपड़ा धोया जाता है ताकि उस ब्लू इंक को हटा दिया जाए और इस फाइनल वॉश से डिजाइन भी क्लियर दिखाई देता है। So we've gone and seen the entire process of how chicken curry is made और हम एक बुटीक स्टोर में भी गए थे बट अब मैं आई हूँ चौक एरिया में जहाँ पे स्टोर्स है जहाँ पे हर एक प्राइस रेंज की चिकन कारी अवेलेबल है। देर आर लाइक सूट्स, देर आर पलाजोस, देर आर कुर्तीज़ एंड साड़ीज़, सो मैनी थिंग्स टू चूज़ फ्रॉम। आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू गो बैक विद बैग फुल्स ऑफ चिकन कारी। लेकिन पहले देखते हैं इस मार्केट में क्या प्राइस रेंजेस है और क्या क्या चीज़ें मिल रही है। जितना चिकन कारी एक विजुअल मास्टरपीस है उतना ही ये एक थ्राइविंग बिजनेस भी है। लोकल मार्केट से लेकर ग्लोबल डिमांड तक इन पीसेस की प्राइसिंग कई फैक्टर्स पर डिपेंड करती है, जैसे फैब्रिक, लेबर और डिजाइन की इंट्रिकेसी। You will see stacks of beautifully crafted chicken curry garments being prepared for export. The business of chicken curry has crossed borders and these delicate pieces are now in high demand across the world. It's fascinating to see how a craft that once existed only in local communities now commands a place on the world stage. From the skillful hands of the artisans in Lucknow to global fashion houses, chicken curry has become a symbol of elegance and craftsmanship. You know, chicken curry art is not just a local treasure, but it is globally known and also exported. ये बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ में यहाँ लखनऊ से एक्सपोर्ट होता है। चाहे जहाँ पे भी रिटेल होता हो, पर ये बनता लखनऊ में ही है और यहाँ से एक्सपोर्ट होता है। और जैसे आप देख सकते हो, मेरा जो हुलिया है ये एकदम से बदल चुका है। मैं एकदम ही लखनवी कुर्ते में आ चुकी हूँ, बिकॉज़ वाई नॉट। तो चौक एरिया में मैं थी, जो आपको इसके पहले हमने दिखाया। चौक एरिया के जो शॉप्स थे, जो होलसेल मार्केट्स थे, वहाँ पे managed to buy a lot of chicken curry from there and now I'm here at Hazratganj, which is again another very popular area जहाँ पे बहुत सारे चिकन के स्टोर्स है। यहाँ पे एक जगह है जनपथ मार्केट करके, तो मैं उसके अंदर आई हूँ and a lot of chicken curry stores here as well. So आप अगर लखनऊ आ रहे हो and if you're going to get your hands on chicken curry, you're going to have so many choices here. You're literally going to be spoiled for choice. Chicken curry is not just an art, it's a livelihood for countless artisans who pour their heart and soul into every piece. By purchasing directly from here, you're not only supporting these skilled artisans but ensuring that they're paid fairly for their incredible craftsmanship. And remember, buying from authentic sources means you're helping preserve this beautiful tradition. तो अगली बार अगर आप कुछ खास खरीद के लेके जाना चाहिए, स्पेशली लखनऊ जैसे शहर से, तो यहाँ का इतिहास का एक हिस्सा ज़रूर लेके जाना। ये सिर्फ फैशन नहीं, दिस इज़ मोर देन जस्ट फैशन. This is a story that you will be living to tell all your life. And if you liked this video, then don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Talk and Travel. See you in the next episode of Lucknowi Dastan.